Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change name of this Motorola. First of all, open settings and in them scroll all the way down. Then tap on About Phone. Now you need to click on Device Name section over here and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK and then select OK in this pop-up to save your changes. As you can see, after that, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!